I just kind of wanted to tell a little like story about my experience learning more about Raydoor the first time. So part of what I do at Acelab is help out architects anytime they have a research question, they're using our site and they are looking into something and not really sure where to head. So recently I had an architect reach out to me about a project they were doing where they were designing an interior wall system for a bathroom, and they could not get the panel inserts. The panel insert lead times were crazy long, really expensive, coming from Europe, and just like couldn't find the right option. And the wall had already been framed. They had done that with their contractor. So they were really in a pickle trying to be able to complete the system. And I just wanted to kind of mention that when I learned more about Raydoor systems, I was like, oh, wow, I wish I had been able to refer this to this architect a few months ago, and really saved a lot of the trouble of, having to coordinate multiple pieces and a lot of components that go into these systems. So I think that that's just like such a huge value prop. I used to work in interiors a lot myself when I was practicing architecture, and I know the amount of coordination that designing these systems can take. So having one that shows up, with all of the systems in place where you don't have to kind of manage multiple different vendors, I think is just really a huge time saver.
I appreciate that. I absolutely think, like people sometimes say, who are your biggest competitors? And it's absolutely a designer sitting down with a mill worker and a parts catalog and like going for it. And like, there's a time that should be done. We're not going to solve every single one of those, but if the aesthetic of what Raydoor represents falls within a spectrum of what you're trying to achieve, I think you'll find that we're going to be giving you a fully warranted solution that's really, when you look up close and see the detail of the product, the construction is going to make you happy. The design is going to make you happy.